Garcia wasn't removed under the Alien Enemies Act, so.
Well, I think he was technically. But
he wasn't.
I think the Supreme Court specifically in their conclusion argued that he wasn't under the AEA. So I think that they probably removed him based on that.
I don't want to do this because it feels mean, and you've been very, very nice so far. But it is necessary if you're going to have a legal debate. It is necessary that you understand the legal implications of things. You must have a firm grasp on the law to have this conversation. Because we just can't progress if you just say stuff that's wrong over and over and over and over and over. And it's not even that I would expect you to be right. You're not aware. But that's fine. But then just don't come up here and try to have this talk.
Well, so you're saying he wasn't removed?
No, he wasn't removed under the AEA. If it were the case that you removed somebody illegally and then you were sued over that illegal removal, one of the first things that's going to happen is you were going to cite to your authority to remove that person. When it comes for instance, in JGG versus Trump, those people were all removed under the Alien Enemies Act. So when you look in the filings and the government has to cite their authority to remove those people, they cite to the Alien Enemies Act. The weird thing about Garcia's case is they didn't cite to anything. There was like, we actually don't have authority. We didn't. Like, it was the acknowledgement that they didn't have the authority to remove him, especially to El Salvador, was instant. Like, they were like, actually, we removed him under no law, and he also had a withholding order from El Salvador, and we did it. So there needs to be a firm grasp that you have on the legal implications of these things. Why would
they write that? Have you read the actual briefing that the Supreme Court issued?
In Garcia's case, yes.
Yeah, why would they reference he specifically is not under the AEA?
Because he was the only person that was sent to El Salvador with the batch of Alien Enemies Act detainees that wasn't under the Alien Enemies Act.